G'day YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Turbo Tristan here. Today just a very short, simple video. Just going to show you how to clean out the intake and the head on the vehicle that's been sitting for 20 years and hopefully clean up the emissions out of it and also give us a little bit more performance by cleaning the carbon out of the top of the engine and the intake. So hopefully that works. So no mods today. The car's still 100% stock. I've still got to get the car roadworthy so I can get the car registered and then I can drive it and rip the engine out and start with the power, baby. So I've just got some throttle body and carby cleaner. I'm going to fill up the intake and the head with that and just hopefully it'll burn off any carbon that's in the head. I don't want any smoke or anything when I'm getting the car roadworthy, so hopefully that clears all that out. I'm just letting the car run and warm up behind me so it will start again and we'll get rid of all of that carbon. The best way to do it is to use a Subaru upper engine cleaner. It's a foaming cleaner. I didn't have any of that available because Subaru was shut. It's now the Christmas break in Australia, so I didn't have a chance to go get some, but I used to work for Subaru a long time ago. I used to get that stuff for free. Now they want me to pay like $20 to $30 a can for it. I just went and got a standard can from Super Cheap. It cost $7, so that's all I need it for. We're not trying to get performance out of this car or anything yet. I just want it to make sure that it's clean, doesn't blow any smoke, so I'm just going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so as you can see behind me, I've let the engine warm up. I'm just going to take the throttle body and carby cleaner and drench the inside of the warm intake, so that's going to help clear all the carbon out of the intake. What I did is I took off the air intake hose, little bit of oil inside there, but that's normal. This end's dry, so that's just from the breather. So very simple. Clean up the throttle, see all that dirty stuff, open it wide up, smooth that out of the way. That was a pretty decent soaking. Let's hope it starts again. Little bit of smoke out the back, which is a good sign. That means it's working. So you can see down in there all of that black goop, but we're cleaning that out little by little. And yeah, it smells like a 2-stroke lawnmower out the back because all that carbon's coming out of the muffler. A couple of little drips there, but I think it's pretty clean overall. Yeah, I'll give it another go and see what happens. Alright, so I've used about half a can of throttle body and carby cleaner. I really wish I had the Subaru upper engine cleaner. That's the one that you really need, because you spray it in the intake or in one of the vacuum lines while the car's running, really pump it out, then you spray the rest of the can inside the intake manifold and it foams up and really peels off all the carbon that's in the intake. I really wish I had that because it would make a huge difference. And then once you let it sort of bake, foam up, pull all the carbon off, because the intake's hot, the engine's hot, it sort of dries all of the liquid and moisture evaporates away, and then you start it up and it just like white smoke out the back, like, you know, people think something's on fire, and then after, you know, a minute or 30 seconds it's all gone and you've got a perfectly clean inside and out upper cylinder head. So all your intake and exhaust valves are clean, your throttle body's clean, your intake's clean. I really wish I had that one to show you guys how it works, but again, not too crazy on this engine. Depending on budget and things, you know, we might still play with it, but I really just want to get it case swapped and start to make 400, 500, 600 horsepower as soon as possible, obviously. But yeah, that's something that anyone can do at home, so give it a go. Let me know if you've done this on your car before. If not, I highly recommend it. But if you've got a couple of bucks spare, the Subaru upper engine cleaner can be bought from any Subaru workshop over the counter. It's by far the best one. I know that Newlon released one, but they sort of changed it and now it's back to basically just carby cleaner. Which is a shame because I really recommend Newlon products. But yeah, a good, you know, 20-minute Saturday afternoon car maintenance tip for everyone. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you later. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit subscribe, turn the notification bell on, like this video, share it with your friends and leave me a comment. It would really mean a lot to help the channel grow. So I would really appreciate if you could do that for me. Click the circle to subscribe, click the rectangle to watch another video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.